Follow along with each step and feel the moment English starts flowing. Each episode has 4 steps. Step 1. Listen without subtitles. Listen to the full content and get the overall idea. Step 2. Learn the vocabulary. Listen again with subtitles and pick up the key words. Step 3. Create your own sentence. Practice using today's key phrase and get instant feedback. Step 4. Share and practice. Share your thoughts and practice with real people. In this video, we'll do Step 2 together. Steps 1, 3, and 4 are available on Plotory for free. Now let's get started.
Step 2.
So, I had kind of a weird realization last week.
Uh-oh.
No, it's not. It's not bad. It's just... Okay, so I had that really rough stretch at work, right? The whole redesign thing blowing up?
Yeah, the one where your PM kept changing the scope every 2 days.
Every 2 days. Yeah, so I was just burnt out, stressed, not sleeping great, and I noticed something. When I was at my worst, genuinely having a terrible Wednesday night, sitting on my couch, wanting to vent to someone, I scrolled through my entire contacts, and I only wanted to call 2 people.
Let me guess. Your mom and me.
My mom and you. Yeah.
I mean, is that bad? That sounds kind of normal.
I don't know. That's the thing. I have a lot of friends. On paper, I have a lot of people I hang out with. Coworkers I grab lunch with, people from the boot camp, college friends I still text. But when it came down to it, when I was actually not okay, my list was 2. And it made me feel really good about you and my mom, obviously. But it also made me feel kind of weird about everyone else. What are all those other friendships?
I mean, they're still friendships, though, right? They're just different tiers. Not everyone has to be your ride or die person.
No, I know. But it's the gap that surprised me. I thought the list would be 5 or 6 people, and it was 2. That's a big difference.
Yeah, I get that. It's kind of okay, this is going to sound random, but you know how I play basketball every Saturday?
Mm-hmm.
There's 8 guys I play with regularly, and I'd call all of them friends. We joke around, we grab food after sometimes, but if I really think about it, I don't know what's going on in most of their lives. One of them had a kid last year, and I found out through Instagram. We play basketball together every week, and I found out through Instagram.
That's kind of what I'm talking about.
But here's the thing. I wasn't even that bothered by it. And I don't know if that makes me chill or just, checked out.
See, I go back and forth on that too, because part of me is it's fine. Not every friendship needs to be deep. You can have people you just enjoy being around. But then another part of me is if none of those people would call you in a crisis, are they really your friends? Or are they just people you know?
I think they're friends. I just think friend covers a lot of ground. Tyler is my roommate and we hang out all the time, but we don't really talk about real stuff. We talk about fantasy football and whether we need more paper towels. And that's fine. That's a friendship.
Is it, doll?
Yes, come on. Not everything has to be emotionally intense, Sarah.
I'm not saying it has to be intense. I'm saying, okay, fine. Let me put it this way. If something really bad happened to you, would Tyler notice? Before you told him.
I mean, yeah, probably. Maybe. I don't know. He'd notice if I stopped doing stuff, if I stopped going to the gym or whatever. But would he sit me down and ask what's wrong? I don't think that's really his style.
Right. And that's kind of my point. Not that Tyler's a bad friend, but there's a difference between someone who'd notice and someone who'd actually do something about it.
Okay, that's fair, but I also think, and this is me being honest with myself, I don't make it easy. I'm very much a, yeah, I'm good person, even when I'm not. So if Tyler doesn't dig deeper, it might be because I've trained everyone around me not to.
Yeah, I have a version of that too, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not a I'm good person. I'm more of a I'll talk about my problems, but I'll make them sound like projects. Like, I'll be going through something and I'll frame it as I'm working through it. I have a plan. Here's what I'm thinking. So people think I've got it handled, even when I really don't.
Oh, you 100% do that.
I know, and then I get frustrated when people don't check in, but it's like I basically told them I was fine in a very elaborate, well-organized way.
Yeah, you're like, I've created a spreadsheet for my sadness. Everything's under control.
Shut up. But yeah, basically.
So wait, do you think we're actually good friends to other people? Because I feel like we're kind of admitting that we both make it hard for people to get close.
I think about that. Like, I have this friend from the boot camp, Priya. We were super close during the program, texted every day, studied together, the whole thing. And now we maybe talk once a month. And every time we do, it's great. But I can't remember the last time I reached out first. It's always her.
Yeah, I've got a few of those. College friends where I'm always the one who responds, but never the one who initiates. And then I'm like, oh, we kind of drifted apart, but really, I just stopped putting in the effort.
Which is such a cop-out, right? We drifted apart. Nobody drifts. Someone just stops swimming.
Damn, yeah.
Sorry, that was dramatic. But you know what I mean.
No, you're right. And I think for me, it's like I have this comfort zone with the friends I already have, like you or Tyler and his own way, or the basketball guys. And making a friendship deeper or maintaining one, that takes effort. It's like I know I should, but I just default to what's easy.
The path of least resistance.
Exactly. And then one day you look up and you're like, wait, who actually knows me? Like the real version of me.
Yeah.
Did it freak you out when you realized it was just two people?
A little. Not in a panicky way. More like a, that's interesting kind of way. And then it sat with me for a few days, and I kept coming back to it.
I feel like I have that moment sometimes, but usually at like 1 in the morning, and then by the next day, I've moved on.
Classic Jake.
I mean, yeah, probably. But also, I think there's something to just accepting it. Like, maybe having 2 or 3 people who really get you is enough, and the rest is just, the supporting cast.
That sounds so harsh, though. Supporting cast.
I don't mean it in a harsh way. I just mean not everyone is supposed to be in the inner circle. And that's not a failure. It's just how it works.
I think I agree with that in theory. But then when I'm the one not in someone's inner circle, it stings a little. Like, I found out a few weeks ago that 2 of my coworkers went on this weekend trip and didn't invite me. And logically, I know we're not that close. But there was still this moment of like, oh.
Yeah, that's just ego though, right? Like, you don't even want to go on the trip. You just want to be asked.
You're so annoyingly right sometimes.
I have my moments.
But okay, here's the flip side. I think the fact that my list was short, it also made me feel really grateful. Like, the people who are on it, it means something. You didn't end up on that list by accident. 10 years of showing up, that counts for something.
Yeah, I mean, you'd be on my list too. You know that, right?
I'd hope so. I literally helped you write your resume.
And I will never hear the end of that.
You won't? That's what inner circle means. I get to bring it up forever.
Fair enough. I think, I don't know. I think the takeaway for me is that I should probably be more intentional about it. Like, not just assume friendships will stay close on their own. Actually reach out. Actually ask people how they're doing. And not accept I'm good as an answer.
Which is ironic because you're the king of I'm good.
I contain multitudes, Sarah.
Sure you do.
Seriously, I'm glad you brought this up. I feel like I needed to think about this.
Yeah, me too. I think I'm gonna text Priya after this, actually.
You should.
I will. And you should actually ask one of your basketball guys how they're doing. Like, for real.
Yeah, all right.
See? This is what inner circle friends are for, pressuring you into emotional growth.
And I love it, truly, every second of it.
You're welcome.